Period Movement Variance insights in Cloud EPM help you monitor materially significant changes in an account member, measure, KPI, or metric across defined time periods. These insights compare the current period with selected benchmark periods and are triggered when the absolute variance exceeds the administrator-defined threshold. For example, you can generate an insight when change in sales over the previous month is more than 10%. By automatically detecting significant variances against prior period, year-over-year, custom period, and historical average benchmarks, Period Movement Variance insights help organizations identify notable shifts in historical performance, reduce manual monitoring, and focus on areas that may need action. Administrators configure Period Movement Variance insights in EPM Configurator. Create a new insight, enter the name and description, and select Period Movement Variance insights. Select the calendar for the insight. Prior periods are defined based on the selected calendar. Define the data slice for analysis. On the Configure page, select the variance metric. Select absolute variance percentage to measure relative movement or absolute variance numbers to measure the numeric change. By default, the metric uses percentage variance with a 10% threshold and previous period selected as the baseline. Next, define one or more baselines for comparison. Depending on the configuration, Period Movement Variance insights can compare the current period with year-on-year, previous period, custom period, or historical average benchmarks. For custom period comparisons, enter current period minus a selected number to compare with a specific prior period, instead of just the previous period. Set the variance threshold for each selected baseline to define what level of change is significant for the business. For each point of view, baseline comparisons that exceed their thresholds are grouped into a single insight. Finally, select the display dimensions and the impact magnitude thresholds for the insights on the Settings page. Click Save. After the Insights job runs, you can review generated insights on the Insights dashboard. Period Movement Variance insights are generated for the current period. Insights are sorted by impact percentage, and the title highlights the benchmark with the highest variance. Benchmark comparisons that exceed the threshold for the same point of view are combined into a single insight and shown in the detail view. The insight description summarizes all benchmark comparisons included in the insight. The graph shows current and comparison values, and the orange line shows the variance for the selected benchmark, using the variance metric configured for the job. Here, a large positive variance can be seen for June 2025 versus May 2025. Use the baseline buttons to review each comparison. You can hide or show historical trends to focus on the current benchmark comparison or review broader movement over time. Actual values can be reviewed in the table below the graph. The Insights AI tab provides a consolidated summary of the generated benchmarks to help you understand the movement without reviewing each comparison. The Explainability tab shows benchmark comparison details, including the metrics and methods used, making the result easier to review and explain. Comments let you document context or collaborate with others. After reviewing the insight, you can open it for ad hoc analysis or dismiss it once the evaluation is complete. When dismissed, the insight status changes to closed on the Insights dashboard. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.